In this tutorial, you will learn how speed becomes your most valuable asset. This is accomplished by managing expectations with strategic time estimates. This works best when you have a two-man team working on each vehicle. Step 1. Maintain the 3-hour quote, meaning continue to quote a standard 2 to 3 hour time frame for all regular appointments. This sets a baseline expectation and provides significant operational flexibility. Step 2. Monetize your efficiency. The large time buffer allows you to sell expedited or next-in-line service slots to customers who are in a hurry. You can fit them in without disrupting your existing schedule, creating a new, premium revenue stream. Step 3. Manufacture customer delight. By quoting 3 hours for a job that takes 30 to 45 minutes, you consistently and deliberately over-deliver on your promise. This creates a wow factor and reinforces the customer's feeling that they chose a highly competent, professional shop. The key is having a confident and simple value statement that's pure gold. If a customer asks why the job was so much faster than quoted, have a simple, confident, and friendly response ready. State your overwhelming experience. We have over X amount of years of experience and have tinted over X amount of cars. Finish with a smile and a simple, "We're pretty good at this." This combination of staggering statistics and humble delivery is disarming and immediately ends any debate on value. Post any questions about this tutorial in the comments below. We read and respond to all relevant comments.